Hi everyone. In this video, I'll tell you how to index your backlinks for free. I hope you'll find this video helpful. So watch the whole video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so without further ado, let's start this video. First, go to github.com and sign up. Here it's better if you use your own Gmail address. Using a temporary email might work the first time, but chances are it will get blocked after that. So it's better to use your own Gmail address. Then once you signed up to github.com, go to this drop down button and choose new repository. Then this is my username. Now you have option like if I choose my repository name as SEO page, how your full address will look. Your address will look something like this. But it's a very big address. I don't need that. So what I'll do, I want my address to look like this. I'll paste this here, remove this one, create repository, go to settings, default branch should be main, and then go to pages. And here, if it's none, change it to main, and root will be selected automatically. And after that, you don't have to touch anything. Go to code, and then you can see here it's in progress. Then now you go to this icon and click on this use your GitHub page website, and this will be your address. Save changes. Let's see here, it's already activated now. And let's check here. Your site is live, and for now nothing is here. This from readme file, and this is my username. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to add here code, create HTML website. For that you can use ChatGPT. I'll write here like okay, this is my prompt. You can add your own prompt. I'm just using this as a sample. I have my code here. I'll copy this. Now here you have two options. You can create the file or upload the file, but I'll choose this one, create new file. Then I'll add my code and I'll name it as index.html. Commit changes. Okay, now my page is queued. I'll refresh this. It's live now, and I'll refresh here again. And this is my website. Okay. So first you have to check here whether your page is queued or in progress or done. It might take a couple of minutes, and just wait. Once if you see here green tick mark, that's when it's done. and then just refresh this page. Now this part is done, how to create your website. Now we'll discuss how to index our backlinks. For that, what you have to do, go to google.com and log into Search Console. Start now and then add property. And here you have to add your website address. Before that, let's see here my page is indexed or not. You can see my page is not indexed. And what time is it now? Okay, it's 11:20, Wednesday 21 May 2025. Go back to Search Console. Now go to HTML tag and copy this. Go back to your GitHub account. Open this and then edit this file. You have to add your Search Console meta tag here and commit changes. It's not done yet. We have to wait. Okay, it's completed. Go back to Search Console, meta tag, go to HTML tag and verify. Okay, our website is verified now. Now what you have to do, now you have to add your backlinks in this index.html file. Okay, I have some sample backlinks. I'll use them here. And now the time is 1:23 a.m. and let's check whether this page is indexed or not. You can see it's indexed. Okay, so it will take a couple of hours to index your page. It's not actually a couple of hours. Within 30 minutes or 20 minutes, your page will get indexed. Now we will add our backlinks here. If we add backlinks here, we'll get crawled by Google and we have a good chance to index our backlinks. So for that, we have to create a different section somewhere here and then we'll add our backlinks. Go to index.html, edit, and now we'll add after about or agency or about the contact us section. And where is that about? Okay, this one. I'll copy this. If you know HTML and CSS, it's very easy for you. If you don't know, just use ChatGPT. It will do your work. You don't have to create, very systematic website. It's just we just want to index our backlinks. Contact Okay, this is the section. I'll paste that about us container here, about our agency container, and I'll change h2 headline to related links, and then here I'll add my backlinks. So that what I'll do, I'll add my links. Okay, how many links I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So I have only 5 backlinks. So it's easy for me to copy paste these keywords. If you have many backlinks, so adding keyword is a bit difficult. So what you do, go to counter and then copy this. I'll paste my URLs here, maybe 100, 200, and then I'll add my keyword like SEO and tips. Then just add the number of copies you want to make. For example, maybe you have here more than 100 links. Then just click on this one. It will show you how many links you have. Okay, 5. And then just create. Okay, it will give you the keywords. Just paste it here and then generate. Okay, now copy this. Go to your GitHub editing section and then paste it here. It's done. Now save, commit changes. Wait for a couple of minutes. So it need time to activate. And then go to your page. Okay, you have your links here. And these are do follow backlinks. You can see here, say do follow backlink. This way you can add multiple backlinks. As always mentioned, don't spam. And what Google will do, Google will index your page. When it get indexed, Google will crawl your website frequently. So this way you can boost the indexing process. It's a very effective method and it's free. Well, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In our next video, we'll talk some other topics related to indexing, backlinks, and SEO. Till then, see you and take care.